Hello everyone, I am Kent Hernando and I am first year mechanical engineering. 8 examples of derivation using power rule. So let's start with number 1. Y is equal to 5. So ano siya is this is y phi equals 0 because the constant is equal to 0. Number 2 is y is equal to x. The derivative of x is equal to 1. So y phi is equal to 1. Number 3, y is equal to 3x. So bring y phi, bring down the 3. Derivative of x is equal to 1. Y phi 3 times 1 is equal to 3. So the answer for number 3 is 3. So let's move to number 4. Y is equal to negative 4x cubed. So bring down the negative 4. The derivative of x cubed is 3x then 3 minus 1. 4 times 3 is equal to negative 12. Then x, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So the answer for number 4 is negative 12 x cubed. This is number 5. Y is equal to square root of x. Then you can rewrite it y equals to x by 1/2. Y phi, the derivative of x 1/2 is 1/2 x 1/2 raised to 1/2 negative 1 minus 1. So the answer is y phi is equal to 1/2 x negative 1/2. 1/2 minus 1/2 is going to be negative 1/2, or you can rewrite it by 1 over 2x 1/2. I mean raised to 1/2. Number 6 is y is equal to 1 over x squared. So you can rewrite it by y equal to x raised to negative 2. Then y phi, the derivative of it is negative 2x raised to negative 2 minus 1. So y phi, the answer is y phi equals negative 2 times x raised to negative cube, or you can write it by y phi is equal to negative squared over x cube. So this is the answer for number 6. So number 7, y is equal to 1 over cube square root of x. So rewrite y equal to 1 over x 1/3. The derivative of this is y phi is equal to negative 1/3 x raised to negative 1/3 minus 1. So next is bring down negative 1/3. Y phi is equal to negative 1/3 x. So negative 1/3 minus 1 is equal to negative 4/3. Y phi is equal to negative 1 3x 4/3. So this is the final answer for number 7. So number 8, y is equal to 4 sin x. So 4, the derivative of sin x cos x. So this is the answer of number 8. Y phi is equal to 4 cos x.